Hey guys, it's time for the monthly market report looking back to January 2021. Let's see how the year kicked off. I'm Tim Higham with RE/MAX Center City Realty here in Prince George, and I love bringing you the market report. It's fun, I think, looking back at the stats and seeing how the market's cooking along, at least right now because it's going a little bit wild. Let's jump right into the statistics. Before I get there, if you're thinking about buying or selling, I would love to connect with you. Call me or text me at the number below. Let's connect. Let me see how I can help you out. Okay, let's jump on this. Looking at detached homes within the city limits. Sales were at 60 for January. That's up from 39 the year before, a rise of 53.8%. So keep track of these. Sales up almost double, all right? Active listings, 75 compared to 144 last year. Listings at almost half of what we had last year. Sales at almost double. Think about that for a second. New listings that came on the market, we had 66 compared to 70 last year. Small drop, 5%. Median days on market, we were at 25.5 compared to 39 last year. So a tighter timeline. Stuff is selling quick. Percent of original price, 98.5 compared to 96.8. Very little wiggle room on houses right now, 1.5%. Average price per square foot at $192, up from $171 last year. That's a rise of 12.3%. It's a pretty good gain if you're holding real estate right now. Average sales price, $429,777. That's up from around $380K last year. That's a rise of 13.1%. That's also pretty good. It's looking great. And supply right now is sitting at 1 month. That's down from 1.7 months last year. So what are we looking at right now in the market? Extremely low inventory, extremely high activity, even though there's low inventory. Okay, houses are selling, buyers are fighting for them. What's that mean for you guys as sellers? Market your home well, have it prepared and priced right, have an agent that's willing to guide you through that process, and you're going to do great. Buyers, it's tough. You've got to be on your game. You've got to be seeing listings right away if you're interested. Make sure you have your pre-approval, make sure you have your ducks in a row, and you've talked with your agent about your strategy to be successful in today's market. Once again, love to connect with you if I can help you out. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.